Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to connect TikTok to Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app. Tap on top left profile. Then scroll down. Okay, tap on edit public. Then scroll down and tap on links option. Click on edit. Okay, then tap on add new link. Just click on TikTok. Okay, then platform TikTok and name your TikTok username. Okay, then air 07, then save and link to Facebook to TikTok, then connect. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.